Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to the Khalsa Club show. I'm Kiran Kaur, and with me I have some beautiful assistants. So,
Chef Ishwar Kaur.
Chef Ishwar Kaur. Okay, and you are?
Sukhani Kaur.
Sukhani Kaur. Okay, do you know what we're going to be doing today? What are we doing today? What are we doing?
I'm cooking.
We're cooking. We're making a
cake.
For who?
Guru RamDas Jee.
For Guru RamDas Jee's Gurpurabs. Right.
Okay.
That would be right. And it was Guru RamDas Jee's Gurpurabs, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So because it was Guru RamDas Jee's Gurpurabs, we're going to make something very special. And what's special? What do you make on somebody's birthday or Gurpurabs?
Oh, cake.
Cake. So, children, get your pens and your pencils ready. We're going to talk to you about how to make a cake. So you need to write down some ingredients, okay? Right. We have 300 grams of, so Connie, what flour is it?
Supreme sponge.
So it's McDougall's Supreme Sponge of 300 grams. We've got 300 grams of caster sugar, 200 grams of
Butter.
willow butter, and we've got 1 tin of evaporated milk and a tablespoon of vanilla essence just for flavouring. Right, so firstly we're going to start off with putting butter into the bowl. So that was 200 grams of butter into the bowl, please, Ishwar. You can use the spoon to take it off. You should put it all in there. Yeah? Okay, so once we mix the butter in, so when we're going to be mixing the cake, I'm going to talk to you about some facts about Guru RamDas Jee. So I think that's really important. Right, so while we've got the butter in there, we're going to add the 300 grams of sugar into the bowl. Right, okay, lovely. So what we need to do is just mix it. Okay, so what do we do when we're mixing the food? What should we do?
Why couldn't SIMRAN?
So let's do about half a minute of SIMRAN while we're mixing, yeah? So come on then.
Waheguru.
Waheguru. Waheguru. Waheguru. Waheguru. Guru Waheguru. Do you want to have a go at mixing, Ishwar? Lovely, SIMRAN. Why do we do SIMRAN when we're cooking?
So then all of the love goes into the food.
Yeah, so whatever we do while we're cooking goes into the food, and then it goes into whatever our children eat and the family eat. So it's really important to do some SIMRAN, isn't it? Okay, so once we've mixed the butter in, what is the next ingredients that we put in?
This.
No,
This.
evaporated milk. Yeah. Okay, so just before we put that in, should we do one fact about Guru RamDas Jee as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so who was Guru RamDas Jee?
The 5th Guru.
No, Guru RamDas Jee was the
4th Guru.
4th Guru, that's right. Shall I give you another fact about Guru RamDas Jee? Yeah, he was born in 1534 and he lived to the age of, do you know what age he lived till? 46, that's right. Okay, so before we go on about another fact about Guru RamDas Jee, I just want to show you the cake mixture. So now that we've mixed it, it will look like this. So that was the caster sugar and the butter mixed together, so it's nice and thick. Okay, so now at this stage, we will add in the evaporated milk. So Sukhmani, if you could just add that in for us in a minute. Go on, if you add it in the into the bowl. Right, it doesn't matter. All in there. So the whole tin of evaporated milk will go into this bowl, and we will then whisk it now. Guru RamDas Jee was married to BIBI BHANIJI, and she was the daughter of Guru. Who was she the daughter of? Guru RamDas Jee. And what Guru was Guru RamDas Jee?
The 3rd Guru.
3rd Guru. Yeah, that's good. You're doing SIMRAN while you're making the cake. So did you know that before Guru RamDas Jee, before his name was Guru RamDas Jee, he was called BHANIJI. Okay? Right, so at this stage now, so this is what our mixture looks like. A bit watery with a little bit of lumps, that's fine because all the lumps will come out. we will now need to add in the flour. Okay, so what we do is we'll put in half of the bowl first. So if we put in half of the bowl first, then you can put the other half in, Ishwa, so wait a minute. That's it. You hold on to that then. Just wait a second. So put half of the mixture in, because what happens if you put the whole mixture in, it's too hard to mix. So we're going to keep mixing now until till it gets a bit thick. Can you see that it's starting to change?
Yeah.
Yeah? So it's getting a bit thicker, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll keep swirling it round. Okay. And all these lumps, we'll try and get them out as much as we can. Otherwise, they'll melt when they go in the oven anyway, so it will even itself out. Right, so, Ishwa, do you want to add the other half in? There we go, well done. Okay, so we're mixing this so it goes really thick and all the lumps are taken out. Okay, also, did you know that Guru RamDas Jee had 3 sons? And his youngest son became the next Guru. So Guru RamDas Jee was the 4th Guru. Who was the 5th Guru? Guru
ARJAN.
Yeah, that's right. So the 5th Guru is Guru ARJAN Ji, and he was Guru RamDas Jee and BIBI Bhanijji's youngest son. Okay, so remember that, children. Okay, so I just want to quickly show you the mixture. It's nice and thick. It should be looking like this, all creamy and thick. So once that mixture looks like this, all thick, what we're going to do is this time around we're going to make some cupcakes for you all. So rather than a slab cake or a 2-tier cake, we're going to make a...
What's going on in here?
Oh, hello, Victor.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, everybody. What's going on in here?
We're making cupcakes, that's what we're doing. Are you going to come and help us?
Wow, yes, please. I love having cupcakes.
Okay.
Are they for me?
No, they're not actually. Who are they
Oh.
for?
For Guru RamDas Jee.
Guru RamDas Jee. They're for the
Guru
Gurpurabs.
RamDas Jee. Was it his birthday?
Yes, we're taking some cupcakes to the Gurpurabs, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put them in some cupcake cases. So Sukhman, if we just bring them along, which we prepared earlier. Okay, brilliant. Right. So usually with this one now, you could either put it into one tray and make a whole big slab cake, or you could put it into a sandwich tin. So you make 2 cakes and then put icing in the middle and then put it on top. So this same mixture will make all sorts of cakes. So with this one, we're going to make... Victor, there's nothing in there yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'm
Right.
just going to
They're
show
just
them what it looks like.
empty. Right, if you want to give us a hand, you need to... Victor. Okay, what you need to do is you need to wash your hands then if you want to give us a help.
Oh, yeah.
Give
I
us a
forgot
hand.
that. I'm
Right.
going to go and just wash my hands quickly.
Okay, right. While Victor go and washes his hands, should we start putting this mixture in? Did you know that Guru RamDas Jee wrote 638 SHABADS in the Guru Granth Sahib Ji?
Wow.
That's a lot.
amazing. That's
a lot,
isn't
it? Yeah, one big spoon of that, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine. So 638 SHABADS. And did you know they were all done in different RAAGS? And guess how many RAAGS there were?
I don't know.
Victor, do you know?
No.
No? 30 different RAAGS. How intelligent was Guru Jee?
Very.
Very intelligent, wasn't he? Okay, so one of the main shabads that Guru Jee wrote was the Lama Part. Do you know when that's read?
No.
No? It's read during a wedding. So whenever you get married,
Yeah.
a Lama Part is read. And
Oh,
that
wow.
is all written by Guru RamDas Jee.
Oh,
Beautiful,
wow.
isn't it? When you read the meanings of it, it's amazing. And did you know that Guru RamDas Jee constructed Harmandir Sahib Ji?
Oh, don't people also call that the Golden Temple?
Yes, that's right. But it was known as Ramdaspur.
Wow.
But then it was renamed as Amritsar, which is like the world's known place now.
I want to go there.
Oh, it's amazing. Right, so the cupcake mixtures are all set and they're in their cases, ready to go into the oven. So usually you can make about 24 cupcakes. But then sometimes if you use the smaller cases, you can get a bit more out of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop them in the oven. So what you would have to do is preheat your oven to 140 degrees, between 120 and 140 degrees, and in the oven for about 20 minutes. So Sopuni, would you like to set the timer on our little clock? Right, we've finished with the cupcakes. Don't they look amazing? So what we've done is we've iced them and we put some sprinkles on them. So at home you can do whatever you'd like. So if you want to do fresh cream icing with fruit, and if you want to put, no, like somebody's excited. If you want to put ready-made icing on, or if you'd like to put icing with a bit of lemon flavouring on, whichever you prefer, you can top them up however you want. So the girls wanted to do unicorn ones, so we'll have them ready to take to the Gurdwara with us. So what we'll do now is we'll go and get ready and we'll pack these up and we'll take them to the Gurdwara, yeah? Come on, let's go and get ready.
Oh, what's this over here? Oh, they smell beautiful. Oh, I think I'm going to have a few of these. Don't think anyone will know, do you? Should I have them? Or should I be good and not have it? I think I'm going to have some now.
Girls, can you do me a favour and grab the cakes for me, please?
Yeah. Oh my God, who did this? Oh man, you sure it was you? You got icing on your face. It was you!
What's going on? Oh my God!
Somebody ate the cake.
Who did this, you two?
It must be Big Dude. It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Who is saying it must be Big Doo?
Yeah.
Oh my God, let's go and find him.
Yeah.
Oh, got a stomachache. Oh.
Bittu, where are you? Right, Bittu, what's the matter?
Oh, I've got a bit of a stomachache.
And why have you got a tummy ache?
Oh, I don't know.
Well, I think we know the answer to that, don't we, girls?
Yeah.
Who ate all the cakes?
It was Ishwar.
Really? Was it Ishwar?
Oh, sorry.
What have we told you before about lying and stealing?
Oh.
Bittu, you're very naughty.
Oh, sorry.
You need to say sorry to all the children that won't get cakes now.
Oh, I got a stomachache.
Right, you can rest here while we go to the Gurdwara.
Oh.
We hope you've enjoyed the show and learned a cake recipe, and maybe you can make this on a Gurpurab or any family birthdays. I also hope that you've enjoyed loads of facts about Guru RamDas Jee. So we hopefully see you soon. So RAAGS Jee ka Khalsa, RAAGS Jee ki Fateh.